Hello, my dear students of class 8. So, in the last class, we saw that Bipin Babu was thinking something and he was going by the side of the Ganga, right? And also he was remembering, he was thinking, and then he just what he did. Then around Hastings, he decided to roll up his trousers, right? And take a look at his right knee. And what he saw? He saw an old inch-long cut. Then he couldn't recall the injury. Then what happened? Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. So he was trying to remember that he had fallen and then he had a cut on his knee, but he couldn't recall. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee, another friend maybe. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time, so he recalled Dinesh Mukherjee. The best thing surely would be to ask him. The best thing surely, definitely, would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Beni Nandan Street. So he means Dinesh Mukherjee would live in Beni Nandan Street, quite near, that is nearby. What about going right now? What is going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? So, he was thinking, if Dinesh Mukherjee hadn't gone to Ranchi, then what would he think about his confirmation, his confirming? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. He would probably, means possibly, conclude, interpret, said finally that Bipin Babu was becoming mad. Going nuts means becoming mad or crazy. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. Ridiculous means that is kind of mocking, right? Means that will increase laughter, right? That will means someone will laugh. So ridiculous, not kind of very good or ridiculous, laughable. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be. And he knew how ruthless means merciless, or means very harsh. Dinesh's sarcasm means that mockery. He used to mock others. Leg pull करना और बहुत ruthless था, बहुत harsh था. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. So he was sipping, not drinking, but he was taking a sip, then waiting. So sipping a cold drink, kind of Thumbs Up, Pepsi, Sprite, Coca-Cola, or whatever, Mountain Dew, in his air-conditioned living room. So a room with air condition. Felt at ease again, means felt comfortable. At ease means comfortable again. Such a nuisance, such an inconvenience, such a problem. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. Means now is telling that. Just because they don't have any work, they go on and they just interfere with and annoying people. They interfere with other people's work and they annoy. They means that Parimal Ghosh. Right? And the people like Parimal Ghosh. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. After dinner, snuggling means in bed. He was reading with one of the new thrillers. Thrillers means thriller book with thrillers. That is thriller stories. Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. Forgot about that man. Next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. He understood that the previous day's encounter means conversation with Parimal Ghosh that was occupying, means taking place in his mind more and more. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi tree? If that man knew such about Bipin Babu, then how could he make mistake about the trip to Ranchi? Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. Just before lunch, decided to call Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. He thought to settle down the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. That embarrassment, that ashamed, right? He was kind of ashamed. He is becoming ashamed. That will not show. 235616 phone number. Bipin Babu dial the number. Hello, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Then I said, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? What is the news? I just wanted to find out if you recall an incident which took place in 1958. Apostrophe 58 means 1958. So, can you remember the event of 1958? 1958. What incident? Were you in Calcutta right through the year, that year? Were you in Calcutta right through the year? That's the first thing I want to know. Wait, just a minute. 1958. Just let me check in my diary. He was checking his diary. For means he used to write everything on his diary. That's why he wanted to check his diary. For a minute, there was silence. Means no one talked. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. Means now the heartbeat is increasing. He was sweating a little. Hello, yes, I have got it. I have been out twice. Where? Once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar, to our nephew's wedding. Krishnanagar, that is in one district of West Bengal. So, a nephew's wedding went there. And then, but you would know about this one. You must know about this one. He is telling to Bipin Babu. Who said? Dinesh Mukherjee. The trip to Ranchi. You were there too. The trip to Ranchi and you were there too. That's all. But what's all this slave thing about? Slave means investing about. I just wanted to know anyway. Thanks. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver. Receiver down means slammed means he just kept down that receiver means very quickly and with making noise. Gripped his head with his hands means he caught hold of his head with his hands. He felt his head swimming means kind of he was feeling dizzy. A chill seemed to spread over his body means he was getting cold and so was very nervous. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. Sandwiches, but he did not eat them. He had lost his appetite. He had lost his hunger appetite. That's all. Now comprehension check will be your home task. Thank you.